scary. Oh my God, it's delicious. It's a jumbo shrimp if I've ever seen one. Taste test. I could cry at Shogun. I got shrimp head on my face. We are going today to the Tsukiji fish market, which I am so excited about. This is the #1 thing that I wanted to do on this trip. Sorry, I'm talking at 700 miles per hour. If you guys haven't heard, it's this amazing fish market where they bring in, you know, like the tuna and all the fish and seafood that they catch here in Japan. So it's super cool. If you get there really, really early, I believe you can actually like watch the tuna, what is it called? What are those things called? Tuna, when you bet on it and restaurants buy it, you know?
Oh, the auction?
Auction, that's what it is. I believe you can like watch that, and then also there are amazing food stalls there. So I'm super excited. It's called the Tsukiji Outer Market. I've been once before, years and years ago, and I only went for like 30 minutes or so. I didn't have much time in my schedule. I went with my old manager and it was beautiful, but I'm really excited to spend a lot of time there today. We made it. Just one stop. Are you excited?
Very excited.
I am ready to eat some meat, even though it's 7 a.m. We've arrived. There's already a giant line for the Wagyu skewer, which is one of the first things we wanted. So we're gonna get in line. This is crazy. Oh wait, I lied. The Wagyu's here. It looks as though they're not open yet. I think this is the omelet stick that everybody wants. Let's get up close. Ah yes, the tamago stick. Fabulous news. As I was walking away, they just opened up the beef, so we'll be first in line. You can spot Cal in any crowd here because his head always just goes above everyone else's. Just right above. So tall. I'm gonna be first in line, you guys. I'm waiting patiently. Wow, look at the options. I want the Wagyu with sea urchin. I also didn't realize it's so expensive. It's now 7:30 a.m. This stall doesn't serve till 8:15, so I might be here for like 45 minutes, but Cal's getting the omelet in the meantime. He just oiled the grill. I wonder if I'll be served soon. 7:37, I just placed my order. He was so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My mouth is actually watering. Oh my God, I just watched him cook so much Wagyu and then use the rendered fat to cook more Wagyu. It looks so good.
Oh my God.
Yeah? Oh my God. Okay, we need to go sit and eat right now.
Let's go.
I just took a bite of the Wagyu.
Holy crap.
Are you kidding me? I could cry at Shogun. That's truly one of the best things I've ever eaten. Also, this egg is so good. I'm not the biggest sweet egg fan. It's just ever so lightly sweet. Oh my God, that was life-changing. Everybody seems to be opening all their stalls for the most part. I am so happy and so full already. Obviously, I'm gonna eat more.
Did you say you're full?
I'm getting full already.
No.
I mean, that was just so good. He said not allowed. The other thing that I really want is the big shrimp cracker. So hopefully I find that here too. We've done a lot of research before coming. Oh my gosh, look at these crab legs. Look at the giant shrimp. Cal, you can get grilled seafood. Oh, I gotta get one. I gotta get that shrimp right now. That prawn. I got a giant prawn. And Cal got a beer. 7:59 a.m. It's a jumbo shrimp if I've ever seen one.
Oh.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow. Will you take a picture of me with it for size comparison? Ah, it's so scary. All right, we peeled it. I'm gonna suck on the head after.
Oh my God, look at all that. Wow.
Oh my God. So good. That was one of the craziest things I've ever eaten. It was just so big and meaty and delicious. Cal's a big eel guy. I got shrimp head on my face. Oops, that's embarrassing. Are you gonna get an eel skewer? You want one?
I'm down.
He's getting an eel skewer. He got that for like, what,
It's like
$2.50?
$2.
Oh, he's happy.
It's great.
You did the Mark Weens. They've got all this uni. Look at that toro. Big piece of toro. Not that expensive. Kind of a good deal. All the seafood. You can get a giant oyster and just throw it back right here. And I love that it's cold outside, so everything feels, it's already fresh, obviously, but even fresher. We came across this little dried goods store. They got little tiny dried crabs.
They're like
little taste
seasoned with something
testers.
too and candied. It's hard.
Oh!
Crunch down on
Yeah,
it.
I think so. I think that's meant to be crunched.
It's sweet.
Arigatou gozaimasu. That was good. Tastes so sweet. I'm gonna buy everything. We got little shrimps, perfect for cooking with. Ooh, yummy. So many different kinds. I think these are dried scallops, I wanna say. Oh, this would be so good in like ramen and things. Dried seaweed, I think it's like kombu. It looks like green onions. It's like for a miso soup. Cal bought lots of things from that sweet man. Got some eel.
We got wasabi
Got a
peas,
lot of wasabi peas.
eel jerky.
Yummy. And now I want something sweet. Had so much salty. I need like ice cream, something. Even though again, it's like 8 a.m. I've never seen such true words. this amazing quality sushi to just grab and go. We'll be back on the way out. Oh my gosh, it all looks so delicious. Like a fish cake stall. Oh, I love fish cake so much. Now I'm looking for my cracker. I gotta save room. They've got fruit though. I finally found my daifuku that I wanted. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought they always had red beans on the inside, but they had so many options for no red bean because I'm not a red bean girl, but Cal is a red bean girl. So he got the special strawberry with the red bean. I got special with chocolate, and then I got regular strawberry with green tea matcha. All right, taste test. That looks so good. Yep.
That's great.
I think red bean is called azuki. Yep.
It's perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna try my matcha. I take it back. It's a bean base with green tea in it, so it's got that bean consistency. So good. Okay, the chocolate was like a chocolate pudding inside. That was amazing.
I want to say the red bean paste is my favorite
Your
though.
favorite? I love the texture of this. I like the green tea as well. I'm just not a bean person. That's why I don't love the bean texture, but it still tastes really good. This is delectable. Last bite. Oh my gosh, these look so good. It kind of looks like a churro. And this says kyukyuba, which I think it's like Taiwanese cuisine, I want to say. Kyukyu means like chewy. It says chewy texture fried sweets. I kind of want to try that. Seafood barbecue place. And they've got a vending machine outside where you can get like different fish and ikura and things. That is so cool. It is officially 9 a.m. and look at Wagyu Man's line. It's all the way down. It's like 9:15. I'm hitting a wall. So good. A hot matcha. Just a regular matcha tea. They don't seem to have hot matcha lattes here, but I love tea on its own, so that's totally cool. And then they gave me this little red bean mochi. That's for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. What else do you want to eat here?
Takoyaki for
Yes.
sure, and more wagyu.
And more wagyu. And I want my shrimp cracker. I'll have some takoyaki, and then I want sushi. And then we'll see what else piques an interest. Ooh, that looks delicious. I feel so special. I got a little mochi.
It's good too.
Now we're getting some Toro sushi. I think I'm gonna do this one on the very left. Fatty tuna and medium fatty tuna. It looks so good. So beautiful. Thank you. That was the best Toro I've ever had in my entire life.
I'm dying and gone to heaven.
And it was so cool. We like stood at the little sushi counter. Oh, also I met a subscriber in line. Her name was Victoria. I think she was from here, I'm pretty sure. But she was so sweet. We had such expressive reactions while eating that the sushi chef was like, oh, which one did you like? And we were like, the last one, which I think was Otoro. He was like, here, and he gave us another piece, which was so nice.
Yeah.
I think he liked watching us be like, oh my god.
And then we left and he was like, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, he knew. We were like, we'll be back. Oh, that was so good. Now, I'm getting my second wind. We're gonna try a different Wagyu stall because when in
It's right there.
Rome / when in Tokyo. Also, time check, 10:03 a.m. We've been here for quite some time. We're gonna try this one now. Which one should we try, Cal? Wow. We're doing what, babe?
More wagyu. That's so much.
Okay, so this is a different cut. It's like thinner this time, and the wasabi adds so much. They've got sauces here too, but I think just salt and wasabi. Do a little sprinkling of that. Hell yeah. Shall we go for it?
Let's go for it.
You go, baby.
Me first?
You first. Oh wow, the way that it just pulled apart.
Oh my god.
He's getting flustered.
That's so good.
That one or the first one?
I like the thinner.
Ah, I thought you were gonna say that.
Yeah,
Wasabi
get that
really
on
helps
there.
cut through that fattiness.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. They're both so good in their own way. I think it's tied for me. It's
Yeah?
so good though. Wow. All right, we're finding some vending machines to get some drinks now. I feel like I need like a green tea, something more bitter to cut through all this delicious fatty food that I'm having. Ooh, that looks good. CC lemon. I was thinking also maybe, ooh, a fruit tea. Oh, all of these look good actually. I was thinking maybe just like a standard iced tea.
I think I'm gonna get a tea too, actually.
Yummy, that sounds good, right? I'm gonna try this fruit tea up here. Thanks, Ben. Looks good. Oh my god, it's delicious. We came out of the vending machine area and I looked over and I saw a man eating the cracker, which means the cracker is open.
Open for bids.
But where is it? That is the question. Fabulous news. We found the line. Also, they're streaming Coachella on this TV right here. Coming up, Remy Wolf. And then remicruz.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will be me in about 30 minutes because the line is long. I got it. Cal's getting okonomiyaki. Look how big it is, and it's so hot. Taste test. Tastes like a shrimp chip. Cal got us takoyaki. Wow.
Takoyaki. So hot.
When I tell you guys, this is one of my favorite snacks I've ever had. It tastes like a giant Korean shrimp chip. Haven't even gone to the shrimp part yet, but it's so delicious. And then everybody was asking me where I got it. And they were like, is the line worth it? Because I waited like 30 minutes. Beyond worth it. I have reached the shrimpy center, and now I'm too full.